Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we gonna see the way what we have discussed previous week in commodity, how it behaves. Okay guys, you can see here guys, what happened is that here I will just zoom in it. You can see here what we have discussed is that it has to came downside and you can trigger these. Okay guys, but what happened continuously goes on consolidation only. After here somewhere here only you can see here, because of this is the acting as a resistance area. Now it will act as a supporting area. From here only somewhere it will acting as a supporting area and goes on upside momentum continuously consolidating. So what I have done is that this is the high. Okay guys, this is the high. If it will broken, then my trigger position will be somewhere here only, 115.50 somewhere here I have kept. Okay guys, limit order, and you can see that boom, I have got easily very nice targets guys. Within two candle I have got whole this profit. Somewhere here only is on this red candle only have booked my whole profit. So this is the analysis. Because of this, first time came, second time, third time it will came, so it definitely gonna break broken. Boom. So we have got very nice trade guys. Some in crude oil also. Crude oil this week is continuously consolidation only happen, gives us very big movies somewhere here only. You can see that this is the move where we have got very nice trade. Okay guys, we can, so you can see here guys, natural gas. So what happened continuously here, consolidation happened. After that it has been broken down, but this is the defending area. First time, second time, so this is the defending area. Somewhere here only it's broken. So what I have done is that I have kept my buying position somewhere here and kept my SL at, this is my SL. Okay guys, because of I know that if it will gonna break, then it doesn't hit SL. If it will hit SL, then it goes on a consolidation, then I will get one more chance. So after that, boom, you can see that our first target reached, second target also almost reached. Somewhere here only I have booked my whole profit, second target only. Okay guys, after that third target also reached. You can see that our analysis is very much accurate. After that you can see here what happened. Here you can see that how sellers are dominating somewhere here. Okay guys, it taken it downside once again, consolidation happened. So remember, I have told you so many times, whenever sellers are dominated, then they try second, third time also. So this is the second time when they have been came. You can see that how seller are dominating, taken it downside, exactly slightly taken support. After that broken downside, you can see that somewhere here only seller has been came up till here. You can see that from here to here buyer has been taken, from here to here seller has been taken it downside. You can see that how nicely taken it downside, but it is at a good place. Once again it acting as a supporting area. So this is the trade what we have taken. Only one trade I have executed here also. I wanted to, but I have not taken that trade because I have not seen. Somewhere here I have seen, so that's why I have not taken any trade in this. We can see for gold analysis. You can see here guys what we have discussed. If it will take support somewhere here only, it has been taken support, but I am not there, so I have not taken any trade. Somewhere here only I am seeing that it has been taken, so I have taken my this trade at this position and kept my SL at this low. Okay guys, resistance low. Okay guys, after that you can see that our first target is, second target here, 2.5 target. Okay guys, just kidding. So second target reached, so I have booked my 70% and kept 30% as a trailing SL somewhere here only. So here also I have booked my all the whole profit. After that you can see that how much volatile it came downside, broken, fake breakout, goes upside, once again fake breakout, continuously consolidate and came upside once again. So this is the at a major supporting area right now. So we gonna see, because you can see that here the wicks, when wicks has been formed is like buyer and seller are domination. It shows us how much buyer and sellers are dominant. You can see that seller are trying. Okay, sellers somewhere here only sellers are trying, but buyer are dominating here. Okay, seller are trying, buyer are dominating. Here you can see that how big red candle is that. Taken it downside, buyer are trying to take it upside. Once again, buyers are seller are taking it downside. Like this, how nicely has been fight has been happening here. Green candle. Okay, guys. Here somewhere here only up till here buyer has been taken. Once again seller has been came and taken it down, so up till here you can see that how nicely buyer and seller are dominating one to each other. Okay guys, so you can see here, and this is the coffee analysis what we have done. Exactly our target open only and target has been reached, you can see here. So this is the not our target, this is the previous analysis. So up till here what we have discussed. So continuously consolidation happened. Our first time resistance taken, second time I have told you, third time if it may come, then it doesn't take any support and goes on break. So what happened, somewhere here only broken. You can see that how nicely consolidating somewhere here only at this green candle only. I have kept my buying and my SL also at this green doji type green candle SL. Okay guys, very small SL I have kept. After that you can boom, one-sided momentum what we have captured somewhere here only at this green candle only. I have booked my whole profit guys because I don't think so it goes very much high. So that's why I have booked somewhere here only. I have got very nice risk to reward. Hope you like this analysis guys. If you have any queries, please comment me down, so I will let you know and make you the nicest video on it. Okay guys, thank you for watching.